I was passionate about woodworking in high school, but we grew up in the restaurant business. My family had local restaurants. So I built a small shop in my parents' backyard, and I was doing my own projects. I was building furniture, but only thought of it as a hobby. And then quickly realized that it was my passion and I wanted to follow that passion. So it was in 1999. I left my family's restaurant business. I was around 24 years old, and I had just gotten married, and my father said, hey, give it a shot before you have children. You know, you could always come back to the business. Quickly it took off, and I had a 3-month lead time pretty quickly into the business. I was fortunate enough to meet a gentleman that was retiring, and he sold the assets of his business, which was in Quakertown. I partnered with my brother-in-law. He came into the business, and this older gentleman was kind enough to teach me the kitchen business and really understand about kitchen design, kitchen manufacturing. I had a natural sales ability and design ability, so I really went out on the road and started selling. My brother-in-law, my partner, he was more in the manufacturing side, so it really helped us scale the business. Through the pandemic, we had decided to move and take this space on Cannon Avenue, and we have over 70,000 square feet now of total floor space between almost 100 employees, and we're building cabinets for people around the world. I want Lansdale to be known as the cabinet making capital of the country. So, so forget Lancaster County, come to Lansdale for cabinet. We're called Village. I say it takes a village, it's not just me. We have amazing craftspeople here.